push off from Mancellona Road to Deward. It's kind of rainy, a little sprinkling, misty, whatever. But I live for this shit, rain or shine. Make sure you have something in your stomach. So, well, you have something in your stomach.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto Geronimo's Trail, North Manistee River Road.
So here we are, Deward. We're gonna come back. We're just dropping off Carl's truck. What do you got to say? You ready to
say?
Yeah, you ready to go?
I got nothing to say about that, son. We ain't been on that river yet.
There we are, Mancellona Road, the Manistee River, about to push off. How do you feel?
How do I feel?
Yeah.
I feel good.
Hell yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel fucking great. We're gonna fucking just, yeah! You can hear it out there. You hear the dam calling. What? Oh! God damn. Floating the Manistee. This is not a beaver dam. This is portage, right? We're getting eaten the fuck up by mosquitoes, but we stopped to claim this river. All right, finally off the river. It's 8:23 here at Deward. I'm gonna spark us up a doober and enjoy the successful trip.